We are extremely excited to announce the release of our drop-in series system for the 2017 through 2023 6.7 liter Powerstroke. Now this system utilizes a 10 micron coalescing water separator to give you full functionality of the water and fuel sensor and water and fuel light on your dash, followed by our extreme water separator, which filters particulates down to 2 microns absolute, removes over 99% of the water which can be found in diesel fuel, and the system is going to be providing air separation, removing entrained air and air vapor, increasing the lubricity of your fuel by at least 10%. Now for those of you operating in cold weather conditions, we also have our electric heater kit options available for the system to give you the absolute best cold weather reliability. Now this system utilizes the factory in-tank lift pump, the factory fuel lines, and we supply some very nice billet quick connect fittings. Another awesome feature is it utilizes the factory mounting bracket on the tank with this billet bracket we supply right here that bolts right onto the FASS system. Now for more information on the system, to locate a dealer near you or to get yours ordered today, check them out at fastride.com.